Okay guys, so I just done my nails. Got a little paint or something.
These are my nails. They're not really new.
And I kept this.
And guys, tomorrow we get fidget toys.
Yep, we're getting a Pop-It. And like, I'm so excited. And dimples, and all that good stuff. And I am so excited. And also thank you so much for 157 subscribers. But anyways, like I was saying, I have this puzzle ball. And I think you should comment if I should trade it for something. But it has to be tomorrow. It has to be tomorrow. Yeah.
Hey, Kim.
What?
Sam is coming over?
Yeah. Anyways, guys, I'll be maybe trading this fidget ball for some really good stuff. And hopefully we get a pea popper tomorrow, a wacky track, a snake, simple dimple, water timer, dimple Pop-Its, marble and mash, pop tube, stress balls, and all that good stuff, guys. We don't know that yet. Nuh-uh, because we don't know what's in the package. But anyways, guys, like, this is so cool. I might have to take my fingernails off by tomorrow so I can actually play with, like, the fidget toys. Okay, well, peace. Love you guys.